Yeah, paparazzi. There you go.
He'll never get that. He got a stocking. He'll never get that open.
Oh
So
yeah?
you're missing putter opening.
Oh yeah? He's already got it open.
Yeah.
He's already got the plastic
Yeah,
stocking
right.
opening.
He does?
Yeah. Look,
Yeah.
he's already got it.
Oh, he does.
Good boy, Popeye.
That's a good boy.
He won't stop till they're all out of there.
That's correct.
He doesn't even care about the first toy.
No, he just wants them all out.
Poor snowman.
Number two.
Number two's out.
Two's out. Two's out.
Three could be a challenge. Oh, no, maybe not. Get it, Popeyes.
He's got number 3.
Number three is out.
That's the one he wants.
That's the sleeper one.
Yeah.
He may not care about the rest of it.
No.
Oh, there's a ball. He's got all kind of good toys. He has more than just this too.
Number 4.
Oh, that's a big squeak.
Oh, but there's more. What else is in here? What else is in here?
Get him down, so get him down out of it.
Oh, he got it. Oh,
Yeah, just let him get it.
Get the openest.
He got it.
You got it. Isn't that amazing?
He's pretty good at it. Now there's a ball in there. 2 balls.
2 balls.
There's a lot of dogs that just sit there and stare at it. The package.
he's going to get in there. He's just going to rip up in the end.
I can't get that one out of there.
Alright, get it out. You got it, baby.
He opened it.